You're welcome to the definitive blueprint of launching your profitable Faceless YouTube channel. Are you ready to unlock the immense potential of YouTube without ever stepping in front of a camera? Many aspire to build a profitable online presence, but the thought of being on screen can be a significant barrier. This comprehensive guide offers the exact blueprint for launching a successful Faceless YouTube channel, transforming your aspirations into a tangible income stream and a powerful brand. This strategy is designed for anyone seeking to generate income and build influence on YouTube without personal exposure. Whether you are a beginner, an aspiring content creator, a seasoned marketer, an entrepreneur, or a side hustler, this tutorial provides the guidance, strategy, education, and inspiration you need. We will navigate the entire process, from niche selection to monetization, ensuring you have a clear path to success. But ensure to subscribe, like, and share. Also smash the bell notification so you don't have to miss any update. The Faceless Advantage, your strategic edge. The concept of a faceless YouTube channel offers distinct advantages that can accelerate your growth. It significantly lowers the barrier to entry, making it less intimidating to begin your content creation journey. You eliminate the pressure of personal appearance, allowing you to focus purely on content quality and value delivery. This approach also scales faster, as your personal time commitment for filming is drastically reduced. However, many aspiring creators stumble at the very first hurdle: niche selection. They often chase popular trends rather than identifying truly profitable and sustainable areas. The key is to find a niche that is not only in high demand, but also one where you can consistently create compelling content with relative ease. This strategic choice forms the bedrock of your channel's long-term success. Strategic niche selection, finding your goldmine. Identifying your ideal niche requires a blend of passion, market demand, and content feasibility. Begin by listing your interests, expertise, and any topics you genuinely enjoy exploring. This personal connection will fuel your motivation and ensure content creation remains engaging. Next, research the market demand for these topics. Are people actively searching for information or entertainment in these areas? Once you have a list of potential niches, assess the competition. Look for areas with a healthy audience, but where you can still carve out a unique angle or provide superior value. Consider niches that allow for evergreen content, meaning videos that remain relevant over time. This approach ensures your content continues to attract views and generate income long after its initial publication. Keyword research, unlocking audience demand. Guesswork has no place in a successful YouTube strategy. A proven keyword research method is essential to understand what your target audience is actively searching for. This data-driven approach ensures your content directly addresses existing demand, maximizing your visibility and organic reach. Start by brainstorming broad topics within your chosen niche. Then, utilize specialized tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to delve deeper. These platforms allow you to identify high-volume keywords with relatively low competition. Focus on long-tail keywords, which are more specific phrases, as they often indicate higher search intent and can be easier to rank for initially. Crafting your content strategy, consistency, and optimization. With your keywords identified, it's time to build a robust content calendar. Consistency is paramount on YouTube. Regular uploads signal to the algorithm that your channel is active and valuable. Plan your video topics in advance, aligning them with your keyword research to ensure every piece of content serves a strategic purpose. Beyond content creation, optimization is critical for attracting viewers. Your video titles must be compelling and keyword-rich, immediately conveying the value proposition. Equally important are your thumbnails, which serve as the first impression. Design eye-catching thumbnails that stand out in search results and accurately represent your video's content. A strong title and thumbnail combination is your primary tool for capturing clicks. Content creation, efficiency, and engagement. Building a faceless channel means leveraging various content elements to deliver value without showing your face. You don't need expensive equipment to start. Your existing computer and a good microphone are often sufficient. Focus on creating high-quality audio, as it is crucial for viewer retention. Your content can effectively utilize screen recordings for tutorials, stock footage for illustrative purposes, and engaging voiceovers to narrate your message. These elements combine to create a professional and informative viewing experience. For editing, simple and accessible software like Canva, Filmora, or CapCut can help you produce polished videos efficiently. Enhance your videos with royalty-free music and sound effects to set the mood and maintain viewer interest. The core of your content should always be about delivering actionable information, compelling storytelling, or pure entertainment concisely. Every video should provide clear value, keeping your audience engaged and eager for more. Monetization strategies. Beyond AdSense. While AdSense is a common starting point, a truly profitable faceless YouTube channel diversifies its income streams. Relying solely on AdSense can limit your earning potential and make you vulnerable to algorithm changes. Explore multiple avenues to maximize your revenue. Affiliate marketing is an excellent option, allowing you to promote products or services relevant to your niche and earn a commission on sales. Selling your own digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or templates, offers higher profit margins and positions you as an authority. Sponsorships with brands that align with your content can also provide significant income as your channel grows. The foundation of all these monetization strategies is building audience trust. Without trust, viewers are unlikely to engage with your recommendations or purchase your offerings. The question then becomes, how do you cultivate this trust when your face is not part of the equation? Building trust and engagement. Your voice, your brand. Building trust on a faceless channel hinges on consistency, quality, and genuine interaction. Your voice becomes your brand, the primary connection point with your audience. Develop a consistent brand voice that is friendly, approachable, and authoritative, reflecting the personality you want your channel to convey. High-quality content is non-negotiable. Every video must deliver on its promise, providing accurate information or compelling entertainment. This consistent delivery of value builds credibility over time. Actively respond to comments, fostering a sense of community, and showing your audience that you value their input. Encourage interaction through questions within your videos, polls in your community tab, and direct engagement in the comments section. This two-way communication transforms passive viewers into an engaged community. Your consistent, high-quality voiceover, combined with genuine engagement, will forge a strong bond with your audience, even without a visible presence. SEO optimization and promotion. Expanding your reach. Optimizing your videos for search engines is crucial for discoverability. Your video titles, descriptions, and tags must be rich with relevant keywords identified during your research phase. A detailed description not only helps the YouTube algorithm understand your content, but also provides valuable context for viewers. Include timestamps, links to resources, and a clear call to action within your description. Beyond YouTube's internal search, actively promote your videos across other platforms. Share your content on social media channels where your target audience congregates. Engage in relevant online forums and communities, sharing your videos as valuable resources where appropriate. This external promotion drives initial traffic and signals to YouTube that your content is resonating beyond its platform. Your next steps: action and growth. The blueprint for launching a profitable, faceless YouTube channel is now clear. Your journey begins with a strategic niche selection, followed by meticulous keyword research to understand audience demand. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content using efficient tools and techniques. Diversify your monetization strategies beyond AdSense, building trust through consistent quality and genuine engagement. Finally, optimize your videos for search and promote them widely to maximize your reach. Now it's time to take action. Choose your niche, conduct your keyword research, and create your very first video. The most successful creators are those who start and iterate. To help you on your journey, we've prepared a free checklist summarizing all the steps covered in this guide. You can make a request using the comments section. Don't let the fear of being on camera hold you back from your YouTube dreams. Embrace the power of the Faceless channel and build a thriving online business. Subscribe to this channel for more practical strategies and insights on building your online presence and generating income. Your profitable Faceless YouTube journey starts now.